Okay, I'm excited because I just got home from work and this is at my door. So I ordered the Mystic booster pack, and here it is, and I'm so excited, and it was so cute, and I just had to open it on camera. I literally ripped it open and I was like, I have to stop opening it on camera because it's so cute. So here it is, and it comes with a pin, pin, and Miss Blanche. I hate her name, but she has a really cute card. So let's crack this open. So first, I'm gonna get Miss Blanche out. So here it is. I like the color blue, so that's why I picked Team Mystic. The pin, which will go on the pin board, which I will show after this. I have a pin board and it's getting pretty full. Awesome. And then it comes with 6 packs, so we'll get started.
We're just gonna get started. I'm skipping the first couple of cards because they're just the common ones. I'm just gonna go straight back, and we got
I'm so confused. I got this, but I thought this was a promo card from GameStop. This is my reverse holo. This is my holo. I'm actually so confused because I thought this was like the free card you get at GameStop. Okay, side note, I guess I just can't skip. I gotta show you what I actually got in the pack because I feel like that's cheating.
got some energy, Lunatone. This is hard to do like doing this way because I don't want to see the back card. It's really hard to not pull it. Smoogle, I love that card.
Alright.
Fuck these birds, am I right?
And another Zapdos. I have a Zapdos already. That's a pretty dope card though. Psychic Energy, Bulbasaur.
Fuck these birds, am I right?
Rattata, the Wimp Pods, the basic common cards, right? So I pull the Pokestop, right? Then my reverse holo is the Pokestop. And then I have the Holo Gyarados. That's pretty dope. Well, now you're useless. The rat, bird. Yeah. All right, let's just see. All right, reverse, and then Lapras. I think I have this already. Ugh. Every time I like do like the energy trick or whatever, and I get like this card, the back of the card, I always get so like excited. I think it's going to be something. It's just the V-Star energy. And I see something behind it, and I don't know what it is.
What the fuck is that?
What the fuck? I hate that name. Queen. What? Oh my god. That's crazy that I got that in the Mystic deck. Is that, like, do you get one in every Mystic, like, box set? I knew I should record this. Like, I knew this was a good idea to record that. That's my first rainbow full art. That's a pretty dope pull. I don't know what's in this last pack, but this last pack needs to, like, make up for it because I don't know how you follow that up. Dupes, reverse holo Onyx, and then holo Sylveon, which I already have. I am sorry I said you have an awful name. I still think you have an awful name, but thanks for the full art, Blanche. And as promised, here is the pin board, almost filled. Special pins, Yves Saint Laurent. I got this pin working at Sephora. It was for their new foundation. That was a cool one. 50th anniversary Walt Disney pin. This for one. Ariel Versace pin.
Is that Ariel Versace?
A Victor and Ralph Flower Bomb, also Sephora exclusive pin. I love the purses. Figment, Jinx. Great artist called Mamobot. Makes these amazing pins. My boyfriend got me that. The shiny Eevee one from the one bundle, and then here's my Mystic pin. And then, yeah. Update. It is July 4th. Coming to you live from my bed. I have a cold. So I picked this up on the way back from my pharmacy. It's the Alolan Zekir one because I'm a sucker. What is this? I'm guessing this is like in replace of an energy card.
Missing, don't care about her. Slow Bro, Pipitar. Shiny Bro, Pipitar's so cute, like purple. Smeagol, the Milton. Oh my god. The magical card, Andy Palm.
Charizard. Oh, okay. Do you see something's behind this? Reverse Hollow is the EVM.
What the fuck is that?
We got the Milton V.
Picture again. Cute. The stars are always super cute. I hate the right cute line. I hate this bird. I hate Chemical.
That's a cute card.
Fuck these birds, am I right?
I hate this fucking bird. Okay. That's cute.
Energy card. Steelix. A bird. Celebro. Bird. I'm sorry. You have a bird. Become.
Oh, I messed up. Okay, Silver Reverse Hollow, that's a cute one. I don't mind. And then Blastoise, they're nice cards. Okay.
Energy. Swirl. Can I hold this, please? Moonstone. Yes, 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 yes. Alright. Keep going.
So many doubles of these. Alright, so we got the Blastoise Hollow, and then we just got a Blastoise Reverse Hollow. That's the second time I got like card like back to back like that. And then I have 2 of these already. So cool. Okay, that is the end of my pulls.